Open your Instagram account. Next, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Next, let's assume that I accidentally delete one of the posts in my profile. To recover this, let's go back to our profile, then tap the three lines at the upper right corner. Next, under Settings and Activity, go to your activity. Next, under Remove and Archive Content, go to Recently Deleted. Here, you will see your post that shows the remaining days before it will be permanently deleted. To restore or return back it to your profile, just tap the post you want to recover, then tap the three dots at the upper right corner, then select Restore. Now you can view it on your profile after refreshing your account. Thanks for watching. Hope you hit the like button and subscribe.